With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here comes the assertion reason type question. Assertion is a spring has potential energy both when it is compressed or stretched. Reason is in compressing or stretching, work is done on the spring against a restoring force. There are four options. The four options are first option, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second, if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third, if assertion is true but reason is false. Fourth, if both assertion and reason are false. So we need to find out which of the following option is true. Which is true. So the reason, a spring has potential energy both when it is compressed or stretched. So potential energy is nothing but half kx square. This is potential energy. So this varies, potential energy varies with x square. This x is the stretching, means after stretching of a spring, suppose this is a spring or this is a spring, suppose. So it has a length, suppose L, and after stretching, if we stretch, then its length becomes something like, so this length is suppose x. So the length increases, or if it in case of stretching, and in case of compressing, it becomes something like this. So it is a mean of compressing, and this is stretching. So this is the length actually. So proportional to the length, right? So potential energy increases or decreases according to the stretching. So the spring has potential energy both when compressed and stretched. The assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Reason is in compressing or stretching, work is done on the spring against the restoring force. Restoring force here is nothing but, suppose when we are stretching the spring, we are applying an external force, we are stretching the spring. This, and again then after that, after stretching, if we are leaving, if we are releasing the spring again, it gets back to its original position, means it is a restoring force acting now. Same case in the compression also, we are compressing the spring with an external force, just release the spring, then again it gets restored to its original position. So here the restoring force is working. So in both the cases, work done is against the restoring force. So the reason is also correct and is also the correct explanation of assertion. So the first option is true. I hope you like my video. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.